The following contest scheduled for one fall is a triple threat match. The first person to score a pinfall or submission will now become the #1 contender to the Doghouse Wrestling Warriors Championship. Your referee, Miss Jess. Second competitor, from every woman's fantasy, he weighs today at 275 pounds.
You can't do one thing right. Go to back. God, nobody can do a dang thing right here. Oh my God. Show me some respect! You pathetic people! You suck! My poor guy's been bleeding right! Nobody can do the damn thing right! Clap for me! You suck! Show me respect! Never!
And the third competitor,
Music, let's go, baby! Where you guys at? I can't hear you!
at 185 pounds, Clayton Vandal!
Cut the music!
Get down!
Now!
I have something to say.
You're not my dad!
Get down!
You're not my dad!
Or you're grounded!
You're barely
Get down!
my real mom!
Get down! Get down! Get down! Whatever. Anyway, I was begged to come back here to Doghouse, and yet I heard I was going to be outside of the gym, possibly the greatest gym in Minnesota. And
yeah, right.
I thought I was going to Planet Fitness,
Yeah.
not Crunch.
Oh.
And not only was I thought I was going to the Twin Cities, I came to Blaine, Minnesota. And by the looks of being inside Crunch Fitness, I can tell that none of you big, bloated, bellied beluga whales don't go here. And instead of giving me a worthy opponent for a title, I have to face a man who I've beaten before and a man I've actually never heard of before. What's your name? It doesn't matter what your name is. The only thing that matters is Matthias is here, and if I guess, hey, get away from me. I'm not done yet.
Yeah.
So if either of you gentlemen want to just lay down so I can walk out with an easy victory for our -- 1 contendership, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Nobody cares.
They say they want me to shut up. They say I talk too much. This guy who doesn't shut up. And that's my whole thing.
Hey,
What?
Vandal,
He
you
doesn't
ready?
shut up.
Are you
He
ready?
keeps saying stupid.
Hey,
He's
bring your
just
phone.
stupid.
Get this going.
Lay down. No, lay down. Lay down. You lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Yeah,
Show me respect. Like these punks should.
You're not done.
Oh, God! That was close! Got it! Yeah, Billie! Come on! I'm off of him! That was slow! 1, 2, 3! What? Time to end this! He has a family!
1, 2.
Let's go!
All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Come on, Billy. Oh, yeah, Billy. Come on, Billy. Oh, yeah. Oh, Matthias is here. Get him, Billy.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner and the new #1 contender to the Doghouse Wrestling Warriors Championship, Clayton Vandal!
I'd love to fight you again. You can't shut me up now. They can't shut me up here.